Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss about the concepts about polynomial. So generally, what is polynomial? So we can split it into two terms, that is poly means number and nomial means terms, that is number of terms. So this is all about the terms and degrees, okay? And we also know about the algebraic expressions, isn't it? Algebraic expressions, we use numbers, variables, that is the alphabets, and the operations. Basically, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yeah? So this is what about the algebraic expression. That is also we are going to use in this polynomial. Okay. So if we have an expression 5x square minus 1 by x equal to 0, whether this is a polynomial, we will check it. Here we have the numbers, arithmetic operation, variables, etc. The first and foremost condition for the polynomials is the degree of the variable should be a whole number. Whatever the variable you are using, you can use as many variables as you need, but the degree should be a whole number, 0 or greater than 0. Okay, so this cannot be a polynomial. The reason is, if we take x to the numerator, that becomes 5x square minus x to the power minus 1, as we are taking this x to the numerator. As we have the power negative, this cannot be a polynomial, but we can say it as algebraic expression. Okay, for polynomials, we should have the degrees as whole number. Okay, then the second example, 2 root x minus 5x cube plus 7y equal to 5. So this is an algebraic expression. Let's check whether this is a polynomial or not. Here we have x power 3. Why? If we have only one variable, like without any number in the power, then it is meant as power 1. Okay, so this is the whole number. But for x, if you see, this we can write it as x power half, isn't it? So this half is not a whole number. So this also cannot be a polynomial. So basically, the power should be a whole number, a positive number. Okay, so example for a polynomial, we can have root 2 into x cube minus 5y square plus 7z equal to 10. If you take this, we have the variables x, y, z, the alphabets. Power, if you see, 3, 2, and here as they have not mentioned, it is 1. So all these are whole numbers. So this is an example for polynomial. Okay, so we have the arithmetic operations, constants, and also we have constants as coefficient of the variables and power of the variables as a whole number. So this is what the polynomial. Okay, next we have the classifications of polynomials. There are two types of major classification, that is, we have based on the degree and based on the number of terms. Okay, so degree, then based on the power and how many terms we have. So we have two classifications. And also we have variable, polynomial in one variable, polynomial in two variable, polynomial in three variable, etc. So if you take the similar example, 5x square equal to 4. Okay, this is a polynomial. So only x we have. So we have the polynomial with only one variable. Okay, say for example, in this we have 5x cube plus 7y equal to 5. Then we have x and y. Then we say polynomial of two variables. Here we have x, y, z. So we say polynomial of three variables. Likewise, we can say how many number of variables we have, polynomial with this number of variables. Okay, so now we will see the classifications one by one. Based on the number of terms, we have monomial. In name itself, we have mono means one, isn't it? So only one term, that is monomial. Either minus 1 by 5 into y power 10, 800 into z power 59, etc. These are the examples. Binomial, by, two terms combined with the mathematical operations, addition or subtraction. X square minus 4, here x square is one term, 4 is one term, combined with subtraction. T cube minus 5t, t cube is one term, 5t is one term. It is combined with subtraction. So we have two terms combined with subtraction. Trinomial, three terms, 31x minus 100 plus 41y. 31x is one term, 100 is one term, 41y is one term. So we have three terms combined with addition and subtraction. Okay, we have the similar examples. Check that the variable have the power whole number. Okay, quadrinomial, that is the polynomial with 4 terms. X square minus 4 plus 31x minus 100. X square is one term, 4 is one term, 31x is one term, 100 is one term, combined with subtraction and addition. Okay, and more than 4 terms, we say it as polynomial with 5 terms or polynomial with 9 terms. Generally, the polynomial is number of terms, isn't it? So we can say polynomial with 8 terms, 12 terms, etc. So I have given an example for 5 terms. So we say it as polynomial with 5 terms. Okay, here the degree or the variables, we don't even to worry about it. Only the number of terms that is combined with addition or subtraction. Next, we have the polynomials based on degree. Okay, so if we have degree 1, though we have 2 variables or 1 variable or whatever it is, the degree of the variable should be 1. Then we say it as the linear polynomial. The highest degree should be 1 in that polynomial. If you see in this example 4x minus 2 equal to 0, there is only one variable x and the degree is 1. So no other variable we have. So the degree is 1. We say it as linear polynomial. 5q equal to root 2. We have only q as a variable and degree is 1. The highest degree of this polynomial is 1. So we name it as linear polynomial. Then highest degree if we have 2, then we name it as quadratic polynomial. Okay, so in this example, root 2x square minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0, we have x square x. Okay, so if we check with the degrees, here it is 1, here it is 2. Which is the highest? Yes, 2. So then quadratic polynomial. Here if you see, the highest degree is 1, so it is linear. Here it is degree 2, then it is quadratic. Similarly, if we have the highest degree as 3, okay, so 4x minus 9x cube. So we have x and x cube, power 1 and power 3. 3 is greater, so that is the highest degree in this polynomial. Then that is the cubic polynomial. Then if we have the highest degree 4, 4x power minus 2 equal to 0. So only the variable we have is x and that is the power 4. So the highest is 4 obviously. Then that is biquadratic polynomial. In the next example, root 2 minus x cube equal to 9 into x power 4. So x cube, x power 4, power 3, power 4. 4 is the highest, then it is biquadratic. 5 or more than 5 we have the highest, then we say polynomial with highest degree 10. Or suppose if 5 is the highest, polynomial with highest degree 5. Coming back to this example, so if you see, can we classify based on the degree and number of terms? We shall do. Root 2 x cube is one term, 5y square is one term, 7z is one term, and also we have 10. Okay, totally we have 4 terms. You can take this 10 to the left side as minus 10 equal to 0. So we have root 2 x cube minus 5y square plus 7z minus 10. So we have 4 terms. Based on the terms, then we say quadrinomial or polynomial with 4 terms. 5 into x power 6 minus 4 into x power 3 minus root 2 equal to 0. So we have x power 6 and x power 3. Comparing these two numbers in the degree, 6 is the highest. As we don't have any particular name for this, we say based on the degree, polynomial with highest degree 6. Based on number of terms, we have 5x power 6 as one term, 4x power 3 as one term, root 2 as one term. So we have totally 3 terms. Then based on the number of terms, we say trinomial. Okay, I hope it will be clear for you all. If any doubt, Please post it in the comment section.